A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 12th class, subject Botany, Boys Higher Secondary School, Nagri. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, we are discussing various questions of Unit 1st according to the syllabus prescribed by the State Board of School Education, and our today's topic is special modes of reproduction. Dear students, you are fully aware about the reproduction, and the one more question has been included in your syllabus, that is the special modes of reproduction. Now today we will see what are the special modes of reproduction. Dear students, some plants reproduce without the act of fertilization. Apomixis is one of the main type. Dear students, you know different types of plants are produced by the act of fertilization, or we can say we multiply the plants with the help of reproduction. But some plants have been found which can be reproduced without the act of fertilization, and the Apomixis is one of the main type. So what is this Apomixis? This Apomixis can be defined as the formation of new plants through asexual reproduction without involving formation and fusion of gametes. So dear students, Apomixis is a mode of reproduction in which new plants are formed by the asexual reproduction without involving the formation and fusion of gametes. So the fusion of gametes and the formation of gametes does not take place in a type of reproduction which is called the apomixis. So you should note that apomixis can be defined as the formation of new plants through asexual reproduction without involving formation and fusion of gametes. The two main categories of apomixis are agamospermy and vegetative reproduction. These are the two types of apomixis, or two categories of apomixis. One is the agamospermy and the another is the vegetative reproduction. Now regarding the agamospermy, we will define first of all this agamospermy. Agamospermy is the type of apomixis in which the plants produce seeds, but embryo is produced without meiosis and syngamy. So dear students, agamospermy, you should remember that it is a type of apomixis in which the plants are produced, or plants produce seeds, but embryo is produced without meiosis and syngamy. This agamospermy has three types. One is called the adventive embryony, second is the recurrent apomixis or diplospory, and the third one is the non-recurrent apomixis. So among these three types of agamospermy, we will define, or we will discuss the one that is the adventive embryony in our today's lecture. Regarding the adventive embryony, it can be defined as the egg does not develop into embryo. So in this adventive embryony, the egg does not develop into embryo but degenerates, and one or more embryos are directly from diploid sporophytic cells, either of nucellus or integuments. Adventive embryony of the agomospermy can be defined as when the egg does not develop into embryo but degenerates and one or more embryos are directly formed or directly from diploid saprophytic cells, either of nucellus or integumentous. It is found in citrus, opuntia, and mango. So this was the adventive embryony. So dear students, in our today's lecture, special modes of reproduction, we have seen, we have defined the apomixis and it is two types are agomospermy and vegetative reproduction. And first of all, we have defined the agomospermy, and then there are three types of agomospermy. One is the adventive embryony, second is the recurrent apomixis or diplospory, and third is the non-recurrent apomixis. And among these three types of agomospermy, first type, that is the adventive embryony, we have defined today in our lecture. Now there remains the second type, recurrent apomixis, and the non-recurrent third type, non-recurrent apomixis, and then the uh, main type of apomixis, that is a vegetative reproduction, which will discuss in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah. Till date, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.